Um, Good morning, viewers. And today, what I'll show you is how to create a second domain controller for this lab environment. So what you see right now is computer name DC2, and it's already been joined to lab.com Windows environment. But I want to promote this to a domain controller. The reason it's still not a domain controller, it's just a name. By if you go to Tools and you don't see Active Directory Services. So what we're going to do to install Active Directory Service to make it a domain controller on an existing forest. So click that, next. Hit next. Select Active Directory. Okay, next, next, next. Okay, let's go back. I clicked the wrong one, so let's click this one. Make sure you click Active Directory Domain Services. Hit next, 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 and restart when it's done, and then install. Once you install, then later on it's going to you're going to see a notification. It's a flag on the right side, like this one, to promote this server into a domain controller right after you install this Active Directory Domain Services, which is going to take a while. So this is the second domain controller to an existing forest. That's pretty quick. And let's check resources. I only allocated 2 gig memory. It's not a lot. That's good enough. Would have been faster if I allocated a lot of resources for the virtual processor or memory. I guess anyway, that's what we have. There you go. Hit OK. Closed. Okay, as I said, there's a notification right here. Promote this server to a domain controller. Okay, add domain controller to an existing domain. Add a new domain to an existing forest. No, what we're going to do, we're going to stick to lab.com. Just add a domain controller. Hit next. I like this, prefer this. Leave the same account. Hit next. Alright, and then go ahead and type in the password again. It's a must right now. Without it, next is grayed out, so you gotta type in the password so that you can move forward and click next. Alright, that's okay. Hit next. Any domain controller, replicate to any domain controller, yes. Click next. Leave it to default. Next. And it's trying to communicate to the first domain controller. It's doing its prerequisites check. Alright, good to go. It says all prerequisites checks passed successfully, and click install. And another waiting. Alright, it's taking a while. Good. Close. Configuration failed. Close. It will reboot. Alright. Then there you go. It did fail. No, why? We'll see. Let it reboot. We'll find out later on. Oh, looks good. We'll see. Alright. Okay. There you go. Alright, so okay, let's log in. Okay, now we'll see if this DC2 is it's now a domain controller. Launch Server Manager. What we're trying to do is to verify whether the promotion to domain controller is a success. So now, by going into tools, it did. Don't you see that? See that? So now let's go to Active Directory users and computer. It looks like it did. Okay. Now domain controller. Okay. There you go. Cool. So first, well, there is a it did. Oh, okay. I want to make sure it replicates. So I have two domain controllers now, and let's go to sites and services. Another way to verify whether you have a successful second domain controller. Okay, there you go. Well, yes, you do. How's that? Expand it. Expand. Replicate. Well, that's good enough. You got it. So you got two domain controllers. Okay? And thank you, and hope this helped, and God bless you. Thank you.